Hello everyone, you're welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create a rolling calendar. A rolling calendar is very important in Power BI and also in data analysis, in the sense that it is dynamic. It is a calendar that changes over time. Unlike in the previous video where I used the static date column to create a calendar. So in this rolling calendar, you don't need to change the new dates. You don't need to update the new dates, okay, because we are going to be writing it using a coded language. We are going to create the rolling calendar using 4 steps. So the first thing we are going to do is to get the data. But in getting the data, I'm going to create a blank query. As I click on the create blank query, this is the Power Query editor. And in this Power Query editor, I'm going to generate a starting date. So if, let's say, I want my starting date to be equal to, okay, date, parentheses, I want my date to start from the 1st of January 2024. And then I click enter. Okay, so this is just a single value. It does not yet make any meaning. So I want to change the name of the table to rolling calendar. Okay, now the next step I want to do is to add an additional step to this. Now, in this step, I'm going to update that value. Okay, this value, I'm going to update it to make it a list. So I'm going to write equal to list dot dates. Okay, the source, so local noun stands for the current date and time. Okay, so what this M code is about is that I asked it to give me the current date and then use the current date to compare against the source code which we've just created, and after comparing, get the difference and produce the difference as a date by 1 day. Okay, so the differences between the current date from the source date, Power BI will produce this as a date, and it will be by 1 day interval between the dates. So if I click on this, okay, expression, okay, I'm supposed to cover this up, then I'll click enter. Okay, so you can see this is the dates from the source date, 1st of January 2024 down to today being the 16th of September 2024. So each of these day is being automatically improved, okay, or updated, such that if there is an extension of 1 week from today, which will be the 23rd of September, the lists will automatically update itself. So this is very, very important to you as a data analyst whenever you are working with dates. So the next thing I want to do is to format and name the table. So I'll click on to table. So I don't want a delimiter, and it will not handle extra columns. So I'll click on OK, and then you can see, so this has been added. I'll rename this to dates. Yeah, to dates. So that is all on how to create a rolling date. Remember, it is very important in your data analysis because it is updated automatically as you have additional days. In these videos, I won't be making use of the rolling calendar. So, but I know you have learned one or two from this. See you in my next video.